Hey, good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you. Today is Thursday, March the 14th, and we got a lot of positives to talk about today. We had a phenomenal day. Yes, there are 4 red lines on the PA, or on the accounts, but as a whole, we're green. We are all green on the PAs. That is awesome. That is 3 days in a row that we are. I shouldn't say all green, but we're green on the PAs. That is 3 days in a row of green, which is great. Also, locked in another $4,000 in payout money. That is fantastic. That is my first back-to-back payout. So I'm very ecstatic about that. We had these 2 accounts here over the $2,600 profit level today, so we can request a payout tomorrow. Had a very good day on what I call the near-death PAs. These 3 PAs right here, 18, 27, and 28. 18 is one we took a payout from on March 1st and then almost lost that account, and we're slowly bringing it back. And then 27 and 28 were 2 accounts that we had a very, very, very bad day. I think almost $2,000 loss on those accounts, almost blew them, brought them back so far. They are not fully out of the life support area, but we'd had a good start on that again, or a good continuation on trading those again today. Also have a new take profit account that I had a good start on today. That was phenomenal. And then also have this brand new Apex promo going on, 80% off, 1 day pass, 50% off resets. So that is awesome. Please use my code if you're looking for Apex product, and then Take Profit Trader. My code BCT always gets you the best deal there. They're running that 50% off promo right at the moment. So in any case, there's a lot of positives, a lot of great things happening today. On the negative front, I did lose a couple of evals this morning trading news. I was trading the PPI news that we had at 8:30, and I'm going to make one change to, at least in the near future, on how I'm trading that. Typically on news events, I will be trading with a couple of evals, and I'll have a bracket order going long and short, and then whichever one fills, obviously that's the trade. Well, what's happening, and it's happened to me a few times now, where I've gotten filled, and then the trade moves my direction, doesn't move my trailing stop, but it does take my unrealized profit up, especially when trading several contracts, and then it comes back and stops me out, and then continues the trend that have been on. So 2 things should happen. Either I need to widen my stop even further, which I don't really like to do, or B, which I think is the best option, is to not use bracket orders. I think what I'm going to do is just wait for the move to happen and then jump in on my own, whichever way I see fit as far as long, short, etc., etc. So it's that type of trading has actually cost me some evals this month, and I need to make some changes there. So I blew up 214, 215, and I also blew up a take profit account that was near death. And we lost it. We lost 280 on it today. So just want to be transparent that would happen pre-market, and that account is gone. It's not showing up here. So let's look at the trading that we did today. I do want to talk about one thing. As a whole, I'm pretty long biased, and today my trades really were here above VWAP this morning. I was looking for long for a squeeze higher. Also looking for long trades off of this previous market low. That was kind of my trading today. I only took a couple of short trades I'm not very happy with. I don't trade shorts well, and I am very long biased. Let me just show you why. This is the daily chart for the market for the last, this is going back into October, but from November at this low point, we had a nice squeeze up into this 16,600 range, and then we pulled back into December, and then again had a squeeze higher, pulled back, tested this previous high beautifully, very, very bullish signal, and again had another squeeze higher, pulled back, again tested this previous high of 17.4, tens or whatever that number is, and then we've kind of squeezed up from there. We did have a bit of a pullback, not a full retest, but a bit of a pullback there, and now for the last 14 days, the low has been this 18,250 area, 240, 250, 230. That level has kind of held, and so my curiosity is, and my feeling is, if this trend continues, we're going to see this again go higher. We are kind of retesting this little high here. We had a mini pullback. I guess I should have drawn this in a little differently, but we have a bit of a pullback here, below this level, and now we're kind of retesting it. So if this trend continues, this market should rebound. And once again today, we've held those levels as we talked about. So that's why I'm biased long as I am. And for that reason, on this big move down this morning, when the morning session fell apart, I just sat on the sidelines and watched. In months past, I would have jumped in and went short, and I'm sure a lot of people did, and I'm sure that works. It's just right now I'm not feeling that, so I'm not taking those trades. But I'm trying to bounce off of that, off of these levels. On the bad side, I'm still finding myself anticipating a trade and not waiting for confirmation. And that's what happened as I lost account to 12. That is this evaluation account up here. I was trading, as you can see, kind of where the trades were happening. As we started to move up, I took some trades here on this bounce higher above VWAP. I was hoping for this to move up. It did not. We kind of protected our trades there, did okay. Again, looking for a move up that kind of stalled. And then here again, and then I did eventually take a couple of shorts here, some winners, some losers. And then what happened, this was a pretty nasty area right here this afternoon, in the mid-afternoon. We had a nice little move back up into this 50 level, which I was looking for it to continue to go higher, which it did. We did get the squeeze, but first the market decided to do a 35-point pullback. And that's where I got caught. And I was just trading evals. I was not trading PAs here, but I did lose that account because I was in about 3 contracts deep, and I moved my stop back and basically got stopped out, blew the account, and so be it. So the error here is I was anticipating this to move up, which it did, but again, I jumped in too early without waiting for confirmation of that market moving up. So on the near-death accounts, I was trading micros on those, and I did trade shorts. I was trading some longs here, got a couple wins, and looking for breakouts here. Just kind of caught some scalp trades basically, and then the big moves here, I did take shorts here, and those were winning trades, and that's how I got to the $80 marker there. Now, the other person within me says, man, if you would have just been trading on minis, look at where that would be. You know, you'd be at 10x that, but hey, it is what it is. Like I told myself, and I think I said on video a couple days ago, that these near-death accounts, I'm going to be trading micros. I'm going to try to get to like 20 bucks or so a day. And if I can get them any higher than that, great. But if we have any kind of a loss, we're just going to, stop trading them and continue on the next day. And that's kind of what I've been doing. They were in drawdown a little bit today. I was red for a little bit, but nothing major. So I'm liking the way those accounts are trading. And I think kind of my loose goal is to get my available drawdown to like $400 to $500, and then I'll switch to minis. If I have one losing trade, obviously I'll go back to micros, but I want to build up enough of a cushion where I can absorb a loss if I need to on a mini trade. PA19, I do want to shout out Nutty. Nutty and I've talked off stream and on stream. Obviously he's sharing stuff, but he's running this kind of strategy where if he gets to a $600 loss, he stops out for the day. Now, I didn't stop trading for the day, but I did decide after I had a couple of kind of, in a sense, bad luck trades with this PA19. This is an account that was close to payout this morning. Again, was looking for this breakout higher above VWAP this morning. Didn't happen. Couple long trades here that I was looking for good winners, and I had a bad loser here, $220 loss, and I did not trade again until the afternoon session when I was looking for this break higher, and again that ended up with a loss. And when we got to that point, I said, you know what, I'm just going to stop. I can recover from that $600 level, and as I'm recording this video now, I'm perfectly comfortable with that decision. That was absolutely the right call. Yes, I did have some winning trades later in the day, but that could have gone against me, and all at once I'd have been trying to dig out of an $800 or $900 hole, $1,000 hole, which would not have been very good. As we stand here today, we're about $1,000 away from payout with that account, and I've got Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so I've got 4 more trading days before the end of the payout cycle. I can recover $600 and get to that payout possibly by that time frame. And if I can't, we can move that to the April 1st target. That's not a problem. We can just make an adjustment, move that to April 1st. That's this account right here. So in any case, that's where we stand. But overall, I had a very good day. I'm very, very happy with how today went, how I traded today. Oh, another positive note, I just saw this, but my brand new PA account, I decided to be pretty aggressive with it today. I took some bit risky trades and maybe pushed a little bit harder than I typically would, but I got to 453 in profit on a brand new account, and I'm probably going to do that for the first few days and try to get to that 51,000, 51.5 level quite quickly and get myself to where it's easier to take those, $150, $250 winners daily and push that account to payout, and my target with that account is also April 1st. So we'll see where that goes. But I was very happy with how that started today. Did I cover everything I wanted to talk about? I think so. But yeah, had a very, very good day today. Once again, thank you guys for using my codes, whether it's Apex or Take Profit. I do appreciate that. Appreciate you guys commenting, engaging with me on YouTube here, and just appreciate you guys out there. Thank you if you're doing that, and then if you're new here, please like and subscribe. I try to do these video updates each and every day, and allows me to kind of regurgitate my day and figure out what's going right, what's going wrong, and learning from it and becoming better. And we are definitely doing that. We're approaching my first year in trading, and my first payouts happened here in January, $2,000. Now we've got $8,000 locked in for the month of March. Maybe we can bump that up a little bit more, and then we shoot for another payout here in April. So I'm very happy with the trend that I'm on and the success that I've had. So I'll keep bringing these videos to you, and together, hopefully, we can all trade very well. So good luck out there. Have a good day tomorrow. I'll try to have an update for you tomorrow night.